Would you rather work hard for money or have money work hard for you? Compound interest empowers you with that choice. Compound interest is a core financial principle that can drastically increase your wealth over time. But before we explore compound interest, it's helpful to understand simple interest. Simple interest is the interest you earn on just your principal. Let's say you invest $1,000 and earn 5% simple interest for 5 years. In year 1, you'll earn $50, which is 5% of your $1,000 principal. In year 2, you'll earn another $50, and each year thereafter, you'll continue earning $50. As you can see, simple interest remains constant over time. Compound interest is a different story. Let's say you invest your $1,000 in a savings account that compounds annually with interest of 5%. In year 1, your interest is still $50. However, assuming you keep your interest earnings in your account, your dollar interest will increase every year. In year 2, you'll earn $52.50. In year 3, you'll earn $55.13. Why? Because you're adding your interest to your principal each year. So you're earning 5% on a perpetually increasing amount of money. Compared to our first example, you earned an additional $26.28 of interest, or 10.5% more, over the same time frame. This growth is known as compound interest, which enables you to build wealth without lifting a finger. As the name implies, compound interest is the idea of interest on interest, which occurs when you reinvest interest earnings to make more money. So long as you continue to reinvent your interest, your passive income will exponentially grow. Beyond calculating the growth of funds in a savings account, you can also compound interest to estimate the long-term growth of a stock portfolio. Let's compare the difference between saving money and investing money using compound interest. If you set aside $365 per year, the equivalent of $1 per day, and put it in a safe, you'd have $365 after 1 year, $730 after 2 years, $995 after 3 years, and so on. If you continue this cycle for 40 years, you'll eventually save $14,600. While saving is important, true wealth cannot be achieved without the benefits of compound interest. So what if you regularly invested your $365 in something with a higher rate of return, such as the stock market? The historical average annual return of the S&P 500 is about 10%. Dating back to the 19th century, if you annually invested $365 into an index fund that tracks the S&P 500, your investment could be worth $396 after 1 year, $832 after 2 years, $1,311 after 3 years, and so on. After 40 years, your shares of the index could potentially be worth $177,701. That's a significant increase compared to letting your money sit idly in a safe. As you increase your annual investments, the future value of your portfolio exponentially increases. Although it requires a long-term outlook, compound interest can amplify your wealth trajectory, help you prepare for future financial needs, and improve your general lifestyle.